driver, dangerously undermedicated.
Greetings, Earthlings. So, we're going to start the video in the car, but we're not going to start the car. This is an interesting time. So, we've been driving the Hellcat around after it came back from the body shop, and it's had a funky smell to it. We'll call it that. And we noticed that no matter what we did, air freshener, what have you, the smell remained. So, funny thing is, I think we figured out how Paul died. I think we figured it out. Everybody thinks that Paul was a passenger in a Porsche and ended up crashing and dying, but I think we finally figured out how Paul died. He's my passenger, but he was already dead when I got him. So, anyway, fact is, I think we figured out how Paul died. So, a little while ago, I went to a function, and it was an adult function. We had some alcohol and some shenanigans. And after the shenanigans were over, I took the remaining alcohol and put it in the trunk of my car. Beer and some bottles and things like that. I forgot about it. Forgot about it in the car. Drove around doing things. More Hellcat shenanigans. And during that process, I broke a couple of beer bottles in the trunk. And, you know, just kind of vacuumed it out with my shop vac and left it at that. Didn't worry about anything. I mean, who thinks about, you know, anything else? So anyway, took the shop back, cleaned it out, and all was well. Well, lo and behold, after all this time, the smell has not gone away. And I haven't opened the trunk since then. So look at this. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Do you see these little dots? It's hard to see. I don't have my phone out here. If you see these little dots here, these little dots on the gray carpet are actually mold spores. Very hard to see. Let me go get my phone real quick. Little dots everywhere. These little dots are mold in my trunk. I'm assuming that that's from the beer. Look at that. And it doesn't smell very good. So I actually opened the spare tire well here, and there's nothing back here. But you can see more little mold down here. More over here, and more under here. See that? So, moral of the story is, if you're driving around with beer in your trunk, no Hellcat shenanigans. Because if you break the beer, you will get mold if you don't clean it up right away. Make sure you clean up your beer, ladies and gentlemen. Hellcat shenanigans and beer don't mix. It's the way it is. It does not mix. Now we know how Paul finally died. Paul choked to death on mold spores. That's how it happened. Choked to death on mold spores. Cause of death, choking. All right. Until next time. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. I need subscribers, man. I've been at 169 for all this time. I just need a couple more subscribers. So, quick postscript. Turn this down a little bit. Quick postscript. I have cleaned up the mold. Finally got all cleaned up. Soap, water, carpet cleaner. There's no more mold spores. I am not dead like Paul. Paul is quite dead here in the front still, but I am not. So mold's cleaned up. Put this back in once it dries. The only bad part is this guy here is local law enforcement. And it sees the black guy over here cleaning his trunk. Yeah, it's probably not a good look. probably thinks there's a body in it. That's going to be interesting. It wouldn't be surprised if he came over here, but that would just add to the fun. I'll get the camera out if he comes over. Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe. I need subscribers. I'm trying to beat my wife to 200. She is almost there, so I need more.
If there's something you want to see on the channel, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.